Sorrel, a nutritious leafy green, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, known for its vibrant flavor and health benefits. Rich in vitamin C, sorrel strengthens the immune system, making it a perfect addition to flu season diets. Its high fiber content aids digestion, promoting a healthy gut and preventing constipation. Sorrel is also packed with essential minerals, such as magnesium and potassium, which support cardiovascular health and help maintain normal blood pressure levels. Incorporating fresh sorrel into salads or soups can enhance overall well-being, offering a refreshing and health-boosting twist to everyday meals.